Hello, everybody, and welcome to our channel, UrbanSubnet. Today, we're going to continue to talk about ChatGPT and AI, artificial intelligence that is actually a good thing to help us become more intelligent. So, there's been a lot of stories out about ChatGPT. A lot of them seem to kind of focus a little on the negative, but we're going to focus on the positive and how ChatGPT can help in our daily lives. So, of course, we know ChatGPT can help you answer questions regarding educational topics, like anything you might take in class or at the university. It can help you with recipes. It can write a poem. It can write a song. There's just so many things that it can do. But I think we should understand that it can be helpful for us in our everyday life. So what I did is I put together some questions here that we're going to ask the chatbot and just see what kind of answers we get. And these are questions that I think would be helpful for people in a variety of different circumstances. So let's go to the OpenAI, and then we're going to log into our ChatGPT. And then once we get logged in, we'll always come up to this screen right here where you can see the examples of what ChatGPT can do, capabilities and limitations. And over here, you have the three dots. You can go to settings, and you can actually change the theme. You could change it to dark. So now you have a darker background, and that is helpful if you're working in a dimly lit room where you don't want your bright screen blinding other folks. So the first thing we're going to do, let's go back to our first question for ChatGPT, which is write a 5-course Italian meal menu for an upscale restaurant. So we're just going to copy. That's Control C. And then we're going to paste, which is Control V. And then we're going to paste that right in there. All right, so now it's spitting out a 5-course menu. And it's actually using the Italian terminology for their courses. So they got the antipasto, which is the appetizer. They got the primo, which is the first course, primo. And this is like risotto al fungi. So I'm going to assume that's a mushroom risotto. You got your secondo, which is the second course. You got the contorno. Okay, maybe I'm not pronouncing that right. So, but that is a side dish. And then you got the dolce, which is the dessert. Okay, so a menu is no problem. ChatGPT can take care of that for you. If you're having folks over, you want to plan some kind of menu, some kind of get together, that's great. All right, our next question. My 8-year-old daughter wants to learn how to play piano. Can you help her? So we're going to see if ChatGPT can help an 8-year-old learn how to play piano. And okay, let me go down here. Okay, so it says, absolutely, I'll be delighted to help your 8-year-old daughter find a piano and basic equipment, familiarize yourself with the keyboard, learn basic music notation, hand position, and posture. Now you can get more detailed explanations if you just copy this, Control C, and then write details about See what that comes back with. All right, so it gives you a little more details about the music staffs and clefs, notes and rest, and that sort of thing. So very good, very good. ChatGPT can help you with all sorts of things. It doesn't have to be a bad thing. It definitely is a good thing. Let's do one more real quick. Let's try, okay, this one here is an interesting one. Write a 3-question calculus exam. Now, some of you out there may be really good in math and calculus and algebra and all of that, but of course, I am not a great person in calculus. I do know some math and algebra, but let's see what ChatGPT can tell us. All right, it just jumps right into it. It just says certainly it can write the 3-question exam. So find the derivative of the following function: f parenthesis x equals 3 times to the second power minus 2 times plus 5. Okay, so I couldn't solve that, but let's ask ChatGPT to solve that. And we're just gonna copy its exam question, and we're gonna paste it right into ChatGPT and see what it tells us. Okay, so it's going through the problem. Okay, so it says the derivative of the function for the equation that we put in there is f, looks like, is that f to the power 1? X equals 6 times minus 2. Okay, so that's very interesting. All right, so we know 6 times 2 is 12. So it's saying 6 times 2 equals 12 minus 2. That's something that we would have to look deeper into. But anyway, what I wanted to just express and show to everybody is that ChatGPT can be a good thing for us. It can help you in your daily lives. It can help you in your educational lives. It can help you with health, medications. The AI knowledge is almost endless. So I hope you start using ChatGPT. I hope you enjoy my videos, and we'll be back with some more AI technology to show you in future videos. Thank you, and have a great day.